Pet pee accidents can wreck your floors and walls way faster than you think if you don't catch them quick. So, when you spot pet urine damage, the first thing is to act fast because that stuff soaks in deep and keeps stinking. Use an enzyme cleaner, not just regular soap, because enzymes break down the urine molecules and kill the smell for good. If it's on hardwood or carpet, try to get the urine out as soon as possible by blotting with paper towels or a cloth, but don't rub or it'll spread. For carpet, you might need to pull up the affected padding underneath too, because that's where the smell can hide. Keep your pet's bathroom habits in check by taking them out often and cleaning accidents immediately to avoid long-term damage. If you see discoloration or warping on wood or drywall, that's a sign it's time for professional help. Also, consider putting down waterproof mats or training pads if your pet tends to have accidents inside. Don't forget to ventilate the area well to dry things out and stop mold growth. One of the biggest mistakes people make with pet urine damage is ignoring the problem for too long, which lets the smell and stains set in deeply. Fix this by cleaning accidents right away every time. Another problem is using regular cleaners instead of enzyme-based ones. Regular cleaners just mask the smell and don't actually remove it, so switch to enzyme cleaners designed for pet stains. Lastly, many folks forget to check underneath carpets or hardwood flooring where urine can soak through. If you don't address this hidden damage, the odor and rot will come back. So make sure to lift carpets or pull up floorboards if needed, and treat those areas thoroughly. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners looking to find trusted local contractors who really know how to handle stuff like pet damage repairs. It also helps contractors connect with people needing their services, making it easier to get the right jobs done without all the hassle.